Good preparation is the foundation for a paint job. Use degreasing agent. You should use 2 cleaning cloths, 1 wet and 1 dry. Wipe off the car part to be sanded and do not allow the degreasing agent to evaporate. To remove dust from the object to be sprayed, we recommend using a tack rag, which should not leave behind paraffin wax remnants or fibers. In the VOC compliance system, we recommend wash primers and epoxy primer. We recommend HS Surfacer for universal use. For wet-on-wet finish, we recommend non-sanding filler. For car refinishing to achieve optimal adhesion and protection, we recommend applying wash primer to bare metal. The mixing ratio is 1:1 with hardener. Never apply water-based base coat directly on wash primer. The European legislation obliges you to use spray guns that have a transfer efficiency of 65% or more. HVLP, high volume, low pressure, or high efficiency guns are recommended. For wash primer and epoxy, we recommend 1.6 to 1.8 mm nozzles. Apply 1 full coat at 2 bar spraying pressure. Especially for commercial vehicles, we recommend wash primer CH. The mixing ratio is 1:1 with hardener. 1 coat is applied, and slower drying will avoid overspray on large areas. Never apply water-based base coat directly on wash primer. Epoxy primer was developed for commercial vehicles and car repair for difficult substrates like galvanized steel, stainless steel, aluminium, and sand-blasted steel. It provides excellent protection against rust. The mixing ratio is 2:1 with hardener. The addition of up to 20% thinner is allowable. Epoxy primer is available in the colors beige and white. The drying times are 16 hours at 20 degrees centigrade and 1 hour at 60 degrees centigrade. Polyester putties can be applied on top. Epoxy primer can be used as a wet-on-wet primer. You must add 20% thinner. The flash-off time before application of the water-based base coat is a minimum of 45 minutes. HS Surfacer is a VOC-compliant product for universal use. It is a fast-drying surfacer with an excellent film build and is easy to sand. On bare metal, first apply wash primer. There are 3 mixing options. Mixing ratio 3:1 with hardeners fast, standard and slow. Mixing ratio 4:1 with HS hardeners fast, standard and slow. For wet-on-wet, 4:1 with HS hardener standard and 30% thinner is added. The application of HS Surfacer is very easy. apply 1 to 3 coats of a total thickness of 60 to 180 microns. Drying times per coat are 1 to 2 hours at 20 degrees centigrade or overnight for air drying, or 30 minutes at 60 degrees centigrade for forced drying. HS Surfacer is available in the colors grey, black and white. For wet-on-wet application, apply 1 single coat. Non-sanding filler is a VOC-compliant product with excellent flow and low material usage. The mixing ratio is 4 to 1 with hardener, and 20% of uni-thinner is added. The spraying viscosity of non-sanding filler is 16 seconds DIN cup 4. Apply 1 coat with a flash-off time of 30 minutes for the water-based base coat. Note, the maximum recoatability without sanding is 12 hours.